So, good afternoon. Now, I'm not feeling 100%. I don't know what I've gone down with, but I haven't got my normal energy. So, I thought I'd do a sitting job. I'm going to try and sow some seeds in these pots directly out the front, but I can't find any of my new labels. So I'm going to recycle some old ones from the greenhouse and see how far I get. So I brought out all my seeds, and now I've just got to work out what pots to put, what seeds to put in what pots. Okay, in here I've got around the edge some French climbing beans, then there's mange too, and then some parsnips in the front. I know it's old seed, but it's worth trying, even though the parsnips are really late. And here I've got different types of lettuce in those two. And in that one there is spinach. Here we have Amsterdam forcing. It's old seed, so I've sown it quite thickly, but we've got some rows. We'll see if they come up. Now these seeds I got from the Bristol seed swap, but it says dwarf French bean. You look inside, there's a couple of different colours, so I have no idea what variety it is. Hopefully they are dwarf, and I'm going to plant them up in there. Well, actually I decided to just pick out the white ones. I know there's too many in there, but I figure some of the slugs will eat. Some might get taken by rodents, so hopefully some will survive. I'm just going to poke them in like that, so they're just below the surface. And then of course I'll give everything a big water. Got the holding on in the wind. Did you love this lavender? So here I have some single seed potato challenge potatoes. They only ever went into there. They've not been inside. I think one's rotted off. There's no evidence in there of anything left in that one. And this one is struggling. So I don't think I'm going to be winning the single seed potato challenge, but I'm going to give it a chance. I'm going to plant it in one of these big tubs, so then there's a tiny chance it'll survive. I can't do any worse than I'm already doing. So here goes. Well, let's see if there's anything in this one. Yes, I think there is. So I'm going to carefully move that into there, because it doesn't look like it's a bit soft. It may have rotted. Okay, we'll give it a chance anyway. So let's give it a chance. Put it in there. Fill it up. Now, come on, potato, grow. I know I've mistreated you, but you're not dead yet. So I thought I'd sow some dwarf borlotti beans. I don't think I've grown them before. I've heard about borlotti beans, you know, the tall variety as well as the short, so I thought I'd give it a go. Again, there's probably too many in the pot, but you know what the slugs will demolish. So I found some leek seed. I think it was from Bristol seed swap. No idea if it's viable, but I've sown some rows in there. We'll see if it comes up. I know it's late, but you don't know if you don't try. So in here I've done just a few cucumber seeds, one courgette, and then some red spring onion and some variegated, well, you know, bright lights. In other words, different varieties of beetroot. So, a nice selection. So in this last pot is some Nero di Toscana dwarf, which is kale, dwarf curly kale, afro kale, and some tree spinach. We'll see if the butterflies decimate it. So it's taken me a couple hours, but all the pots are done. I'm feeling slightly brighter, still not 100%, but at least it was a sit down job. Now I just need to water and then go in and relax. So, not the most exciting, but at least it's using the new growing space. Let's see how things go. Thanks for watching, bye for now.